Hey guys, Will here with IntoMobile. We're taking a quick little look at what the new HTML5 optimized YouTube web app looks like. So here's the deal. We've had this YouTube app on iPhone for years now, and it was always meant to play YouTube videos on the iPhone because, iPhone doesn't support the Flash video player, the Flash-based video player that YouTube initially used. They went HTML5 on their desktop, but just today, YouTube has gone HTML5 on their mobile website, which is reachable at m.youtube.com. So this is, I already pulled this up, but just to show you guys, to get to the mobile YouTube website, basically you just get to there, you go m.youtube, and it goes right there, m.youtube.com, and it brings up the mobile website, and look there, a nice little dig at Apple. It's a pop-up saying you can install this web app on your phone, on your iPhone essentially, by tapping the plus right here and adding the YouTube web app icon to your home screen. So basically, YouTube is like, oh, hey, Apple, you got your iPhone YouTube app, but screw you, we can just put our web app right onto the home screen, and it's actually maybe even better than your native iPhone app because we use the updated rating system. We don't use the outdated star rating system that the native iPhone app uses. This guy right here, this web app uses a like, dislike, a binary system. But that's what it looks like. I've already pulled up a video here, and the whole point of what we're doing today is to show you guys what videos look like with on the iPhone via the HTML5 web app versus the native iPhone app. So take a look here. Take a look at the quality here. What we're looking at is the quality, and take a look at the text. That's one of the telltale signs of video streaming quality. Notice the fuzziness, the jaggedness around the edges of the text. A little bit of pixelation you see right there. You get a little, you can see the artifacts right there, kind of surrounding the text, the little pixelation you get. Check out the detail on my hands. You get pixelation there. You got some fuzziness around the edges. The edges of my hands, the straight lines on the phone. Everything is kind of pixelated and fuzzy. Okay, so that's a baseline. This should give you a good idea of quality. And I'm concentrating on the minute little, the really, really tiny little details here because the differences are going to be very minute. So we have to concentrate on the small little details to get an idea of what the differences are. So okay, that gives you an idea of what this looks like, what the YouTube mobile HTML5 player looks like. Now we're going to go to the YouTube app, and I have the same video already pulled up here, and we're going to take a look at what this looks like. So take a look at the text. I don't know, it could just be me, this is pretty subjective stuff, but the text does look a little sharper to me, at least. I don't know about you guys, but the text does look a little sharper here. The edges of my hands are still fuzzy, less pixelated than I would say than what we just previously saw on the web app. But let's skip ahead real quick. I don't know why it's taken so long. Pretty appropriate that the native application is kind of lagging right now while the web app is going just fine. That's one of the features that Google is touting, or YouTube is touting. It's fast. The web app is fast. So take a look at this text right here. Still getting a little pixelation, right? But I would say, again, subjective, but the edges are a little less fuzzy on the text here. And the edges of my hands are a little fuzzy still, but still more defined than what we saw on the web app. This is the native player on the iPhone. So that should be a quick idea. That should give you a good quick idea of what to expect from the YouTube mobile optimized HTML5 player that you can get to from m.youtube.com. So overall, it's hard to make the call right here, but I would say that the native iPhone app actually still plays video better than the HTML5 web app from YouTube. So that's a quick little look at the HTML5 mobile optimized website for YouTube.